فيك يا صومال، نفديك نفديك يا صومال، نفديك.
You give me one good, smart, tough admiral and a few ships, I would wipe them off the face of the earth. They would go so fast, they wouldn't even have a chance.
You can understand what they're doing. I don't think I'm in favor of piracy,
right,
the other act of violence, but the source of the piracy is in the west. The waters near Somalia were used for fishing. Well, they've been heavily polluted by mostly Europe, Saudi Arabia, the United States marginally, even the toxic wastes. They've just destroyed the waters there. They can't fish. The U.S. ran through a Security Council resolution calling on all states not to interfere in Somalia, and it immediately violated it by supporting an Ethiopian invasion, which just tore the place to shreds. And one of the consequences of that is piracy.